Alrighty, you are going to love today. We are going from standard form to vertex form. So, you'll see words that you love. Put x's on one side of the equation. Put all other values, so we're going to have y's and numbers on the other. And then we're going to complete the square with the x's, and we're going to divide by the coefficient if there is one. Alright, so it sounds like you're going to hate it, but I swear it won't be as bad as you think. So we look here. First thing we have to do is move this 9 to the other side. So y minus 9 equals x squared minus 4x. Okay, we want these guys to be by themselves. As usual, just regular completing the square stuff. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding something to this side and adding something to this side to make this a perfect square. So we remember how to do this. We take that, divide it by 2, take this and square it. Excuse me. Okay, that's a 4. And then whatever we added to this side, we also have to add to this side. That's it. So look, it is now in vertex form. Okay, sometimes when we write it like this, but what side things are on doesn't matter. Now, if there was a number in front here, we would have had to divide it, but there isn't, so in this case, we're done. So if you wanted to, you could see that the vertex of this equation is 2, 5. That's handy. And you could graph it and find the focus and all that good stuff. All right, so same deal here. Look, there's an 11. It shouldn't be there. Let's subtract. So it's y minus 11 equals 2x squared minus 16x. So now we're going to complete the square here. So we can't have a number. Let's factor it out. And we're going to add something to it. So whatever we add to this side, we have to multiply it by this 2 and add it to this side. I remember I put boxes there, whatever makes it easier for you. So let us complete the square. So we take that number, that negative 8, divide it by 2, square it, and it goes there. So we have squared it. So now what we add to this side, we take 16 times 2, and that's 32. And we combine those together. So it's y plus 21. Yeah, y plus 21. Look at that. Only problem is the number shouldn't be there. It should be on the other side, so we divide both sides by 2. Now I'm dividing the entire thing by 2. Whenever you divide something by 2, it's the same as multiplying it by a half. To put it in the standard form that we want, this 2, when we divide, remember it's keep this the same, change that to multiplication, and flip this. So there's the flip, 1 over 2, multiplied times y plus 21 is the same as this. This just puts it in the standard form, or the vertex form, excuse me, that we are looking for. So there's our vertex form. That's literally the hardest part of today, I think. Okay. Finally, this one, add the 15. Y plus 15 equals negative 12x squared plus 24x. All right, we can't have this number here, so we have to divide it out, and we do have to divide out that negative 12. Okay, when we divide the negative 12, we have to divide this by negative 12 also, so that is a negative 2x plus something. And remember, we have to, whatever we add to this side, multiply it by negative 12 and add it to this side. So let's do it. Negative 12 is here. Divide that by 2. Square it. 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. So it's y plus 3 equals negative 12. And we can't have that negative 12 there. We got to divide it over here. So it's negative 1/12 times y plus 3 equals x minus 1 squared. So, you know, you can look at that and be like, oh, my vertex is 1, negative 3, Miss Barris, because I'm a genius. Okay, enjoy.